Hi everyone! Are you still poaching eggs directly in water? The eggs break easily, and the whites don't stay around the yolks, they just float all over the pot. Today, I'm going to share with you a really clever method for poaching eggs that will help you create soft, smooth, and beautiful poached eggs. The best part is that even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you can still do it successfully. First, prepare 5 fresh chicken eggs. Next, take 5 small glass cups. Pour enough water into each cup to fill it about halfway. To season the dish, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to each cup and stir gently until the salt dissolves. Now, carefully crack each egg into its respective glass, being very gentle so as not to break the yolk. Once you're done, place a pot on the stove, line the bottom with a dish towel, and arrange the glass cups on top of the towel. Finally, pour about 200 milliliters of water into the bottom of the pot. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Once you're done, place a pot on the stove, cover it, and cook over medium heat for about 6 minutes if you want the yolks to be soft and runny. If you prefer your eggs more well done, cook them for about 8 to 9 minutes. While waiting, I'll place an electric kettle onto its base. Then carefully pour 200 milliliters of water into the kettle and switch it on to start heating. Once the water is fully boiled, I'll carefully pour the hot water from the kettle into the glass bowl. Next, I'll measure about 75 milliliters of vinegar in a measuring cup. Then slowly pour it into the bowl of hot water. After that, I'll gently stir the mixture with a spoon until everything is well combined. Next, I'll gently crack 5 eggs into the bowl one by one, being very careful to keep the yolks intact and prevent them from breaking. I let the eggs soak in the vinegar for about 2 minutes. The vinegar helps the egg whites firm up slightly and set better, keeping the eggs neat and intact, preventing them from separating, and resulting in a smooth, restaurant-quality finish. Next, I place the large glass bowl containing 5 eggs back onto the baking tray and put them back into the air fryer to cook. The cooking time is about 160 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, ensuring the whites cook evenly yet remain soft and smooth without drying out at the edges. Now I'm going to prepare another poached egg dish. I put a pot on the stove, add about 1.5 liters of clean water. Next, I poured in a little vinegar and stirred it gently to blend everything together. Cover it and bring it to a boil. While waiting for the water to boil, I prepare 1 large bowl and 4 small bowls. I place a strainer over the mouth of the large bowl and crack a fresh egg into the strainer. I lift the strainer and shake it gently. the liquid egg white will drain into the large bowl. At this point, I pour the remaining egg from the strainer into one of the small bowls. I repeat this process with the remaining 3 eggs. Once the water in the pot is boiling, I reduce the heat to the lowest setting, then gently pour each bowl of egg mixture into the pot. While poaching, never let the water boil vigorously, as the waves will cause the eggs to break and lose their shape. Keeping the heat low allows the eggs to cook slowly, so the whites set softly while still cradling the yolks inside. As the whites begin to set, I cover the pot and simmer for about 1 minute to achieve a soft, creamy yolk, or 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a firmer yolk that still retains its rich, creamy texture. When I open the lid, wow, the eggs look absolutely beautiful and appetizing. The whites have set to a soft, smooth consistency, perfectly cradling the golden, glossy yolks inside. They look absolutely perfect. This isn't just a delicious dish, it's also nutritious and suitable for the whole family, from children to adults. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After 6 minutes, I open the lid and carefully remove each egg cup from the pot. Pour the excess water into a bowl to make it easier to remove the eggs. Simply use a silicone spoon to gently run it along the side of the cup, then carefully slide the spoon under the egg. You'll see the poached egg slowly separate from the side of the cup and can easily transfer it to a plate. After 10 minutes, carefully remove the bowl of eggs from the air fryer. Use a spoon to gently lift each egg out, drain them, and place them on a plate. Perfectly poached eggs will have a smooth, silky white that evenly envelops the yolk without any stringiness or separation. It's wonderful to connect with you from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. When cut open, the yolk inside will be slightly runny, rich, and incredibly tempting. You can enjoy the poached eggs with bread, salad, or pair them with other dishes to enhance the flavor. With just a few simple steps, you can make restaurant-quality poached eggs right at home. And now comes the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's cut an egg in half together to see what's inside. Wow, the yolk is still soft and runny, a rich golden yellow, and surrounded by perfectly cooked egg white. On the outside, the egg retains its beautiful round shape, while the inside is soft, smooth, and rich. So with just a few glass cups, a little water, and a simple steaming method, we can make beautiful poached eggs right at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.